Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your portfolio with Fiverr, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying what specific skills or services you want to showcase in your portfolio. Visit the Fiverr website and create an account if you haven't already. Explore the platform to understand the various services offered. Look for freelancers in your niche to gain inspiration for your portfolio. Take note of the types of work that are most popular and well received. Decide on the services you want to offer based on your skill set and market demand. Craft a detailed description of each service you plan to provide. Consider offering introductory prices to attract your first customers. Create sample work to display in your portfolio. If you're just starting, consider completing a few projects for friends or nonprofits to build your experience. Upload high-quality images and descriptions of your best work. Ensure each piece in your portfolio tells a story and showcases a unique skill. Customize your Fiverr profile to reflect your brand and professionalism. Use relevant keywords in your profile and gig descriptions to improve search visibility. Analyze successful Fiverr gigs in your category to learn what's effective. Gather testimonials and feedback from past clients. Incorporate this feedback into your Fiverr profile and gig descriptions. Regularly update your portfolio with new work to keep it fresh. Engage with the Fiverr community to learn about trends and best practices. Consider offering bundled services to increase the value of your portfolio. Promote your Fiverr gigs on social media to drive traffic to your profile. Use Fiverr's analytics tools to track your performance over time. Adapt your offerings based on what resonates most with your audience. Continue learning new skills to expand your service offerings. Stay consistent in delivering high-quality work to build your reputation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.